press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, how are you all? Hope all are you fine and safe in your home. In the previous class, we have learnt about the first poem, that is Run. Hope all of you understood that and completed your homework. And in today's class, we are going to learn the 6th lesson of your class 4 English, that is Nasruddin's Aim. What is the name of your 6th lesson? That is Nasruddin's Aim. Okay, this is a short story which is having a moral, and also it is about the play or game, that is archery. Do you know what archery means? Yes, archery is a art or sport of shooting with the bow. So, it is a art or a sport in which we are going to shoot the aim with a bow. Understood? And in this lesson, there are some people, that is the characteristics of this story. Okay, let's start this lesson, and first I will read this, then I will explain it. When I am reading, please go through it. Okay, open page number 44. That is Nasruddin's Aim. One day, Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery. I string the bow, take aim and shoot the arrow. Whoosh! The arrow is sure to hit right on target." Hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows." Then, pointing towards the target, he said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." So, Nasruddin held the bow in his hands, strung it, aimed at the target and shoot an arrow. Whoo! The arrow didn't hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. Ha ha ha! His friends started laughing. They said, "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim?" "Oh no, not at all," said Nasruddin, defending himself. "This wasn't my aim. It was Azad's aim. I just showed you how Azad shoots an arrow." Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again, he strung the bow, aimed at the target and shoot the arrow. This time, the arrow fell a little further from where it had fallen before. Okay, till now we are going to study in this class. Okay, look at the first para, that is, one day Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. Chatting means talking friendly or talking in a informal way. Okay, like when I am with our friends, we are talking in informal way, right? So like this chatting means, so write down this word meaning, talking in a friendly way. Okay, here in this story, Nasruddin is a person who was chatting or talking in a friendly way with his friends. One day Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. He began to boast. Boast means praising himself. Boast means praising himself. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜಂಬ ಕುಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಬಡಾಯಿ ಕುಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So he began to boast. He started to boast. "No one can match my skill in archery." So I am very good at the game which is called archery. No one can match me. Like this, he boasts himself. So he praises himself like, I am very good at archery. No one can beat me. No one can match me. Understood? So archery means what? It is a game right, in which target can shoot it by an arrow with the help of bow. Arrow with bow. This is a game in which a target, a aim can be shooted by an arrow by the bow. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಬಾಣ ಅಥವಾ ಧನಸ್ಸು ಧನುರ್ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಚರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕೈಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಿಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಬೋ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಬ್ ದಿಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this is a bow and here a rope can be tied in the both end of the bow. It's called string. This is a bow in which a rope can tied on both end of the bow. That is called string and it is an arrow from which we can shoot the target. Understood? This is a bow and this is the arrow. So this is all the equipment of the archery. Archery is a sport in which target can be shooted by the aim or arrow with the help of bow. Understood? Okay, here the Nasruddin chatting with his friends. So he began to praise himself that he is very good at its archery. Okay, and also it tells that no one can match my skill in archery. So no one can beat me. I am very good at it. Then I string the bow, take aim and shoot the arrow. So I told you earlier, here is a string, that is a rope which is tied on both end of the bow. So that is called string. When you are trying to target or shoot with the arrow, then you will stretch the string like this and it is a bow. So here there is a rope in my hand and also there is an arrow. With this I will target one aim and I will shoot that. Then it will shoot it. So this is the process of that archery. Like this, I string the bow, take aim and shoot the arrow. Nasruddin boasts or praises himself that I am very good at archery and I string the bow. I will string the bow and take aim. First I will take aim in which place I have to shoot. Okay, and shoot the arrow and I will release that arrow. So whoosh, that is the sound of the arrow and the arrow is shoot to hit right on target. when I release the arrow, it must go to the target. Understood? When I release that arrow, it must go to the target. So like this, I am very good at this archery. No one can beat me. Like this, Nasruddin chatting with his friends. Nasruddin tells himself. Hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. So, like this, Nasruddin praises himself. So, one of the friends of Nasruddin, hearing all of this, he goes and brings some bow and arrow. Hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows. You only told that you are very good at this archery. So, you have to show that your archery skill is very good. So, take this bow and some arrows, shoot that target, and we will recognize that your skill is very talented." Like this, one of the friend of Nasruddin tells to Nasruddin. Then pointing towards the target, he said, "Aim at the target and shoot an arrow." And also, he tells that, so there is a target, you have to take the bow and arrows and shoot the target. Shoot that aim. Aim at the target and shoot an arrow. You have to shoot an arrow to the target, so that we come to know that you are very good at archery. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಸ್ರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನೋ ನಾವು ಅದು ಆಟ ಆಡಿದೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ತಿಂದೆ ಈ ಥರ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವೋ ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಸ್ರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ತನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ, ತನ್ನನ್ನು ತಾನು ಹೊಗಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಬೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಡಾಯಿ ಕೊಚ್ಕೋ, ಹೊಗಳ್ಕೋ ಅಂತ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ತನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಏನಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಧನುರ್ವಿದ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಬಾಣ ಬಿಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಣ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಕಡೆನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗೋ ಹಂಗೆ, ನಾನು ಗುರಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗೋ ಥರ ನಾನು ಬಾಣವನ್ನು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಮೀರ್ಸೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಧನುರ್ವಿದ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪ್ರವೀಣ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಕೊಚ್ಕೊತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ನಾನು ಬಿಲ್ಲನ್ನು ತಗೊತೀನಿ, ದಾರಾನ ಎಳಿತೀನಿ, ಬಾಣವನ್ನು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಯಾವ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ಬಾಣ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಟ್ಟುತ್ತೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಸ್ರುದ್ದೀನು ತನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲನೂ ತನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಗ ಆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬಂದು ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಣಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಂದು ನಸ್ರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಕೈಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನಸ್ರುದ್ದೀನ್, ನೀನೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ, ತುಂಬ ಜಾಣ ಇದೆಯಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ವಿದ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಬಾಣ ಬಿಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯಾರು ಮೀರ್ಸೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸರಿ ತಗೋ, ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಈ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀನು ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಬಾಣಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೋ, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಏಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಗುರಿ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ನ ನೀನು ಈ ಬಾಣದ ಮೂಲಕ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಪ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ನೀನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ವಿದ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವೀಣ ಅಂತ, ಈ ಬಿಲ್ವಿದ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಪ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಸ್ರುದ್ದೀನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ನಸ್ರುದ್ದೀನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನಸ್ರುದ್ದೀನ್ held the bow in his hands, strung it and aimed at the target and shoot an arrow. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಸ್ರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಬಾಣವನ್ನು ತಗೊತಾನೆ, ಶೂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆನೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ನಸ್ರುದ್ದೀನ್ held the bow and arrow and aim at the target and ready to release the arrow. Whoosh! So that is the sound of the arrow. The arrow didn't hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. But the arrow didn't reach the target. But somewhere it fell on the middle of that path. Understood? Nasruddin tells that he is very intelligent, very good at the archery. But when his friend tells him that to please show your skill. Like this, when Nasruddin held the bow and arrow and released the arrow, but it fails to reach the target. Instead, it fell somewhere in the middle of that path. Okay? Next, ha ha ha, his friend started laughing. So, by seeing all of this, all of his friends are started to laugh. They said, "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best time?" So, the friends are started to laughing because Nasruddin boasts himself. He tells that he is very good at the archery, but now he can't do that. He fails to reach the target. His arrow fails to reach the target. So, his friends laughing at him and tells that, Nasruddin, is this your best aim? So, you only told that you are very good at this archery, but you failed here. Is this your best? Like this, his friends asked to him. Oh no, not at all, said Nasruddin. Nasruddin defending himself. This wasn't my aim, it was Azad's aim. I just showed you how Azad shoots an arrow. So, by hearing his friends laughing and the teasing, Nasruddin defending himself. Defending means protect. Defend means protect. When somebody will laugh at you, you will protect yourself. You will defend yourself. Like this, Nasruddin also defend himself like saying, no, this is not my aim. It is just Azad's aim. Azad is one of the friend of Nasruddin. He tells that this is not my aim. This is Azad's aim. I want to show you that how Azad will release the arrow or shoot the arrow. So, this is not my arrow. This is not my aim. Like this, Nasruddin defended himself. Have you understood? Nasruddin defended himself by saying, this is not my aim, this is Azad's aim. I want to show you that Azad is very weak in this archery. Like this, Nasruddin defended. Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again, he strung the bow, aimed at the target and shot the arrow. So, the talking is over. Next, Nasruddin takes another arrow and ready to release that arrow by strunging the bow. This time the arrow fell a little further from where it had fallen before. But he was very confident. He was very confident in its archery. But then also he fails at the second time. When he started to release the arrow in the second time, then also that arrow didn't reach the target and it will fall somewhere further from the before arrow. Okay? Have you understood? By the failure of the Nasruddin, so his friends are laughing at him and he defended himself by saying it is not his arrow but it is Azad's arrow. So then he wants to prove that he is very good at it. In his archery, he has started again, that is take an arrow, take the bow and strung the bow. He releases the arrow, but here also, in this time also, the arrow didn't reach the target. So somewhere it fell and it is not at the target. Understood? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ತಗೋ ನೀನು ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ತೋರಿಸು, ನೀನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಧನುರ್ವಿದ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಜಾಣ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸು ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಸರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಓ ಸರಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಬಾಣಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊತಾನೆ. ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ, ಈಗ ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವನು ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊತಾನೆ. 1 2 3 ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಾಣ ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದರೆ ದುರಾದೃಷ್ಟವಶಾತ್ ಆ ಬಾಣ ತನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಗುರಿನ ಮುಟ್ಟೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಗುರಿ ಮುಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಬಿದ್ದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ಅವನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆಲ್ಲ, ಅವನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಸರುದ್ದೀನ್, ಏನಿದು, ನೀನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಜಾಣ ಇದೆಯಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ವಿದ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಯಾಕೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಣ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏಮ್? ಓ ಇಷ್ಟೇನಾ ನಿಂದು, ಇದೇ ನಿಂದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಗುರಿನಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ನಗ್ತಾ ಅವನ್ನ ಆಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ನಸರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ತನ್ನನ್ನು ತಾನು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾನೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನಿನಗೆ ಬಂದು ಬೈದರೆ ನೀನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಬಂದು ನಿನಗೆ ಬೈತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆವಾಗ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನೀನು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀಯ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹಾಗೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಸರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಕೂಡ ತನ್ನನ್ನು ತಾನು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾನೆ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಏಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಗುರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಆಜಾದ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಗುರಿ. ಆಜಾದ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಯಾರು? ನಸರುದ್ದೀನನ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ, ಅವನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಇದು ಅವನ ಗುರಿ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಜಾದ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಗುರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಆಜಾದ್ ಗುರಿ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವನು ಹೇಗೆ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ. ನನ್ನ ಗುರಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಾಣವನ್ನು ತಗೊತಾನೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಾಣ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. He strings the bow and he releases that arrow. ಅವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಬಾಣ ತಗೊಂಡು ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯರೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಬಿಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಈ ಸಲ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಬಾಣ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟದೆ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಈ ಸಲ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಬಾಣ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. Okay, let's call it as day. In the next class we are going to study the remaining lesson. Okay, thank you. Hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.